For those who are interested in the restoration of the frescoes in the Cappella Brancacci, visits will continue until the end of summer. You can see the frescoes at close range thanks to the walkable scaffolding installed due to the diagnostic and restoration activity. The construction site works will last for approximately 1 more year. For the entire period, it will be possible to visit the site by accessing the scaffolding. Access is also accessible for visitors with motor disabilities thanks to the installation of an elevator specially built for this purpose. So, even when you are bound to a wheelchair, it is possible to see the works by Masaccio, Masolino da Panicale and Filippino Lippi up close and personal. Given the presence of the diagnostic restoration site inside the Brancacci Chapel, booking to access it is mandatory and for a maximum of 10 people each time slot. Guided tours are also available. This is the email address to write to. The restorations take place every Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. The chapel will be open to the public during the other days. Friday, Saturday and Monday from 10 till 5 and on Sunday from 1 till 5 o'clock.